Do you see you're on camera? You see yourself?
Yeah.
You look so cute. Do you want to tell everyone what we're doing today? What are we doing today?
Doing your makeup.
Oh, not yet.
Why?
So say your name. What's your name, baby?
Gabriel.
This is my nephew, Gabriel. How old are you? Tell him how old you are.
I'm 4.
And what are you going to do for me today?
Do your makeup.
Yeah. Are you the cutest kid ever?
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and start that now. What do you want to tell everyone? Tell everyone to like and subscribe.
Next is subscribe.
If you want more videos with Gabriel. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, what do you want to do first?
I want to do this.
You want to do this? So you want to do my eyes first?
Yeah.
So we're going to use this NYX palette with all these different colors.
I'm going to
Do you want to do
black.
Do you want to do a smaller brush for my eyes, or do you want that one?
I want a smaller brush.
Okay, for that one. Which brush are you going to use? You going to use the black?
Yeah.
You want to do a smoky eye on me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do my smoky eye.
There we go.
There we go, like that. I'll put it on my eyelid. Wow.
Let me just do this color.
You want that color too? So he's doing a brown color now. Oh.
Done.
You want to do more brown? He's doing the brown shade in here now. You gonna take that green one? No, you're gonna put it on my lid, or you're gonna keep putting it in these areas? Yeah, there you go. You don't want me to see my makeup until the end though, right? You want to do all my makeup and then show me?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta do this side too. However you want. You're the artist. You're so cute. You doing a good job? Do you like how it looks so
And
far?
black.
And black too, because you want it to match, right? You do it on the other eye too, the black?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm gonna do this. I want this on your cheeks where you can look happy.
You want it on my cheeks so I can look happy?
Yeah.
You like it so far?
I'm gonna do it on here.
You want to do it on there too? Okay. Anything you want. You're the artist, so anything you want to do. What do you like to do? Do you like to draw?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you a little artist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Purples.
blue.
You like the blue? What's your favorite color?
This color.
That gray's your favorite color?
Mm-hmm.
You like gray? Wow.
White.
Right there. Okay. Wow. Does it look pretty?
Yeah.
Is it a pretty color? Do you want us to keep doing eyeshadow, or do you want to go to contour and blush?
I'm gonna do contour and blush.
Okay, contour and blush. Do you want to use a different brush for that?
This one.
Yeah, you like that one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to use a different brush?
I'm gonna do this.
You like that one still? Where does that one go? Does that color go right here? Yeah. So you can put it on your cheekbones. Does it look pretty?
Yeah.
You gonna do that to the other side now?
Yeah.
Other side right there? And you're gonna use the brown this time? If you're gonna use the brown, you should put it like in this area. And on that side too? And that one too. Wow, you do such a good job. Does it look pretty? Do you like it? Do you want to keep using this one, or do you want to use a different thing now?
Different.
Different? Okay. Do you want to do blush on me now? So this one goes on my cheeks.
Pink.
You want to do pink? Okay. You want to use that for it? Where does the pink go? Do you want pink on there too? You like the pink. Wow, does it look so good? Do you want to use any other colors on here? You like the red? Do you want to put it on my eyes or my cheeks? Do you want to use another brush for it, or you like that brush?
I like this brush.
Okay.
That way.
You put those right there? Okay.
On your neck so you have blood.
Put on my neck so I have blood? Are you making me pretty and scary?
Yeah.
Tell everyone, what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite scary movie?
My favorite is It.
Your favorite's It? But who else do you love?
I love you.
Aww, my heart. But which scary guy do you love? Who did you want to be for Halloween? Now you want to be It, but who did you want to be for Halloween before?
I did pick a costume.
You did pick a costume? You wanted to be Chucky, didn't you, at first?
No. I needed to be a scary clown.
You needed to be a scary clown, okay. Originally, he wanted to be Chucky for Halloween, but now he's into a clown phase and he wants to be a scary clown. Is that what you're doing to me?
Yeah.
You're making me a pretty scary, because at first he's like, I'm gonna make you pretty. And now he's like, I'm gonna make you scary pretty. Wow.
Do your lips. I don't.
Do you want me to give you lipstick for my lips?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. By the way, if you hear another child in the background, that's my other nephew. I think it looks so nice. Does it look nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And let's do all.
This is a Kylie lipstick. Wow, that felt like you did such a good job. You want me to put my lips together? Do you think I'm done? Do you think I look pretty enough, or should we do more?
More.
More? What do you want to do now?
I'm gonna do this one.
You want to do more of that one? You want me to have big lips? You give me a mustache with it?
No.
No, what are you doing?
I thought you looked pretty.
You thought I looked pretty?
Yeah.
Do I look pretty, guys? Should we show Yaya too when Yaya comes up?
Yeah.
Do you want to do more blush?
Yeah.
Okay. And remember, you can tap lightly in it, okay? Yeah, like that. Perfect. Good job. And see, you got a lot. You want to put blush on my forehead? My eyes too, okay. Is this unlike anything anyone's ever seen before?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your creation.
Let's go show Yaya.
You want to show Yaya?
I can't wait to see.
You want to see his masterpiece? How good he did? I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, Gabriel.
Don't I look-
smashing?
Do I look good?
Yeah.
You think I look pretty, or did you make me scary, or both?
I like you pretty.
You made me pretty? You're so sweet. Okay, should I see myself now?
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
not done yet.
you're not done yet? You want to do more?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? You want to do that? Okay, what do you want to do with that?
You gotta find some color, right, babe?
Yeah, do you want a little color with it?
I want.
He just
My other
laughing.
nephew's like, is this gonna be it? And then it's the finished product?
Oh, that's good.
Wow, you put the shimmer. Is it really pretty?
I'm gonna do purple.
You want purple too?
Find an empty spot there.
Yeah, find a nice spot on my face. Do I look really pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at PJ. Hi, baby. Hey,
I'm gonna do
honey.
pink.
You want to do pink now?
Yeah.
Here, pink is in there. Not far from when Jake did my makeup. It's pretty close.
All done.
All done? Is this the masterpiece? Can I look at myself now?
Yeah.
Wow, I look so pretty. I look so good. You did such a good job on me. Did you have fun?
One.
So yeah, that was my nephew doing my makeup, my 4-year-old nephew doing my makeup. I think
Yeah.
it looks so good. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Say, be sure to like and subscribe.
No, like it's subscribe.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
PJ, do I
He's
look
just like,
good?
what about me?
Do I look good?
Papu
Should we show?
does makeup?
You want to bring Pabu up? This is my other
Look,
nephew.
he's scared of you.
He's scared of me.
He's like, what's happening
Say,
here?
this is PJ, right? Is this PJ?
Papa, you're gonna do your makeup.
Pabu's makeup. He's too little. Look, he's scared of me.
He's like, let me down.